Hello, my friends. Today we will give you introduction for our basic model Anethesia machine, the perfect installation video. So, firstly, this machine, when you have received the machine, it was packed by two cartons. So, one carton for the trolley and accessory, another carton for the main unit. Here, outside, the main unit itself. After you receive the machine, it has three screws from each corner of the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 screws. You need to fasten the screws between the trolley and the main unit. After that, let's do the installation for the pine line and other parts. The first part, respiration loop. For the respiration loop, when you receive it, take it from the accessory and then put here directly. And this one, solder line above there. So when you receive it, put here from the top to bottom, fasten. So this side to the front. And the third part, vaporizer. We have 3 types of vaporizer. This one is 7 fluorines. We also have isofluorine and harvester. So that's based on your requirement. So we put and then fasten the vaporizer. And the breathing circuit, we have 2 fat breathing circuit, one for pediatric, one for adult. So we are using one for the demonstration. So you put one side from the top, other side from the bottom. And then we have the face mask. Face mask, when you're using for the patients, you just put here to the circuit. So and we have the driving pine line. This driving pine line was used to connect the bellow and the machine. So we have put here. Now we have a bellow. This machine standard configuration is with one adult bellow. So when you receive it, you just from this side you can see. We have the bellow tree. So for the bellow tree, when you receive it, you also need to take it from the accessory list and fasten directly. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Use the screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to fasten the screw. Fasten this tree on the machine, and then put the bellow from the back side into the front side. So after that, we can install the driving pine line. So we have 2 driving pine lines. This is smaller one, this is thick, this is thin, the thin one. So you put one side on the bellow, another side to the machine. And also this one is one side to the bellow. It's the thick one. This is the thick one. Another side you put on the respiration loop here. Okay, and then next, this is for fresh gas pipeline. Fresh gas. One side from the machine, also here. So you can see clearly. Here, one side to machine. Another side to here. This is for the respiration loop. Yeah. And here we have the oxygen hose. The oxygen hose you just put here on the machine directly. Another side you connect it to the regulator, the oxygen regulator. So this one side to machine, another side to oxygen regulator. So like this by yourself. And then we have a follow sensor. This follow sensor using to detect tidal volume. So one side to the machine. So one side to the machine, another side we put in front for the respiration loop. Here we have the airway pressure pipe. Airway pressure. So one side from here is on the machine. So fasten here. Another side to the. You can see. One side on machine, another side on here, respiration loop also here. So, yeah, one side here, another here. And power cable also from the rear side. We just directly put on the circuit itself. Close it. And this side we put on the power socket. So that's all for the installation of this safety model and safety machine. Thank you.